Do you know about a 35 to 37% of our IMB batch does receive a scholarship or tuition waiver? Yeah, that's true. And let's delve into how you can be one of the candidates who can receive this scholarship or tuition waiver during the shortlist process with us. Hi everyone, we are going to talk about the scholarships and tuition waivers at SDA Bocconi Asia Center, Mumbai for our IMB program, that is International Masters in Business. The International Masters in Business has been here since 2012. It's more than a decade now that at Asia Center we offer International Masters in Business, which is partly delivered at the Asia Center in Powai, and then there is an immersion program back in the main campus at SDA Bocconi School of Management. Today we are going to talk about the scholarships and tuition waivers and what is the difference between them and how it is being allocated to people. Tuition waivers are in three brackets: 30%, 50% and 80%. And scholarships are 2 lakh rupees each, which is of three types. Now let's start with what is scholarships. Right? Scholarships are awards which are basically being allocated to students on three categories. Now these are the three categories that I'm going to start with. First is the Dean's Award, which is given to people who has shown high academic records throughout in their academics, including that of 10th, 12th and graduation. Second is the Women in Leadership Award, which is basically, of course, awarded to female candidates who have shown leadership abilities in the recent past years. The third will be Arts, Cultural and Sports Award, wherein the candidate has an accolade or an achievement in that particular field. Talking about the tuition waiver, right? There are three brackets, of course: the 30%, 50% and then the 80%. Starting with 80%, that's hard to really get. But we have students who have also got 80% tuition waivers. Exceptional profiles is a must for reaching the 80% mark for sure, and so is for 50% and 30%. The first and the foremost would be your academics, that is your 10th, 12th and your graduation scores. The second will be your work experience, if you are a fresher or if you have, say, a certain work experience. People with certain work experience will definitely have a higher chance of probably bagging some bracket of tuition waivers. Third will be your test scores. The higher the test score, the better it is for you to get more points in the application system. The fourth will be your extracurricular activities. Very important. Participation is one aspect of it, but having an achievement is the second. So showing a very consistent, proactive extracurriculars, for example, if you have your own YouTube channel, or if you are a content creator, or if you have played a certain sport throughout, all of those small things will really matter, and especially when you have achieved a certain place and position. The next aspect that we look at is your essays that you write in your application. The other aspect that we look at, of course, is the test score. Now this is not only the selection mode for us, or only the greatest aspect of our whole of your profile or shortlist process, but the higher the test score, the better it is for your application score overall. The averages that we have, the medians that are displayed on our websites, are the ones which can be an indicative safe scores for us. We take into consideration GMAT, GRE, CAT, NMAT and our own test, which is called as Bocconi test. The last and the most important aspect of the shortlist or allocation of the scholarships and tuition waiver for us is your personal interview. The personal interview grade can be a make or break for your overall selection to the program, and also for the aspect of you receiving a certain scholarship or tuition waiver. Just to give a recap of what aspects really work for us in terms of allocation of scholarships and tuition waivers. The first and foremost would be your academics, second will be your work experience, third will be your extracurricular activities, fourth will be your test scores, fifth will be your essays in your application, and the sixth will be your personal interview.